Hello everybody, this is Satisfair and welcome to another Forge modding tutorial. Well, my PC um, well, it didn't work properly for some reason. So I had to fix my computer, which got rid of all the old tutorials. But I'm back, I've set up my PC again. Well, it does now have Windows 8, as you can see, but this won't ruin any of the tutorials, believe me. So, we are going to set it all up in a different way this time, since we had to restart either way. I would like to use the more professional setup, which I actually use when I'm making mods myself. I'm currently working on a sort of the sapling mod, which is for the sapling community, like for the Indolittlewood guy from YouTube. I thought, hey, why not make a mod that he will use in this Let's Play of Courts or Kingdom of the Saplings that he has. But enough about my mod. We are going to go more in depth this time. So, well, there are three things that you need. It's Eclipse, MCP, and Minecraft Forge. All of these here. I will include links to these in the description of this video, and probably the next ones as well. So let's get started. Actually, there's one more that we need, and that is GitHub. And yeah, this is GitHub. Well, so to set up Eclipse, or to set up this way of modding, we first need Eclipse, of course. So you download it like this. You go search for Eclipse on Google or click my link and click on this here, and this will get up, and you just choose this. Well, it will be different for you because it's a different server that is uploading it, I think. But yeah, you just click the what pops up here. I live in Norway, so this is what pops up here. Yeah, and install that. It's easy. You just extract it to somewhere on your PC and just open the .exe file. Pretty easy. So enough about that. You also have to install Java JDK, which I probably will add a link to as well in the description. Just check that out. Yeah, and then we just need MCP, of course. You go to this site or search for MCP, just MCP in Google, and it will be the first link, I think. And you go scroll down to releases here and click on this link right here. Pretty easy, and I will show you how to install it later. Now, for the Minecraft Forge, you go to this page. I will definitely give this put this in the description so that you get this site. So yeah. And I recommend going for the latest one, which is at the moment 737, which I already have installed, so I won't install that or MCP because I already have it installed. But you should go ahead and click on this, or this. Or this actually, because that's the latest at the moment. So yeah, GitHub, you have to install GitHub, but it's pretty easy. You just go to windows.github.com and download right here, and you're done, basically. And you have to have a GitHub account as well. And yeah, so that's it for the web pages. And well, I have all the, here is my MCP and MicroForge here. As you can see, build 737. So I have already installed all that. This is where I work on my saplings mod. And yeah, this is how we are going to set up our own. So I'm just going to make a new development folder called tut development, like so. And I'm going to go in here because I'm lazy and just copy the APIs here and paste it in my tut development. So I have this, and I like to, well, categorize it for the MCP Minecraft 1.5.2. So yeah, we're gonna have API. We're gonna have a new folder called Eclipse, another folder called MCP, as well as another folder called source. Now we just go ahead and install both Forge and MCP. So you go into here, open these up with WinRAR or WinZip, the ones you like. And then we go into MCP and we just drag the Forge in, and then we just drag all those, Control A, and just drag all those into the same folder and close those. Now to install it properly, the MCP, you just double click Forge and install.cmd. I think if you are using a Mac, you just use the .sh, and yeah, but since I'm using Windows, I'll just use this. So I double click that and this will pop up, and this takes a lot of time, so I will just pause the video until it's done. And yeah, you will see how it is when it's done. See you soon. And we are back, and this is soon finished, I think. I just wanted to show you what pops up when it's finished, because there you go, it is finished, and just press any key to continue. Yeah, so we now installed MCP and it's ready to go. What we now have to do is open up GitHub and of course log into your account. I hope this is recording. Yes, it is. Now I have this repository, but I want to create a new one, so I click that. I will call it tutorials. Why not? I'm not going to add a description, and I'm gonna set it to my D drive. I'm going into tut development source, and this is where I'm gonna have it. So select folder. Yeah, that's correct, and we just create it. And as you can see, we now have a repository. Now I don't want it to have these, so I just go to Tools, Settings, and add .git ignore, and git attributes. Click update, and it won't commit these. So yeah, now we should have a folder here called tutorials, and we have everything set up so we can open up our Eclipse. and set our development to the tut development and Eclipse. I'll actually show that. So we go into my G drive, go to tut development and click on Eclipse, and that's where we're gonna have it. So click OK and OK, and this should open a new workspace. So if you just wait a little bit, this is what pops up when you're having a new workspace. I like to have these down here because I think that looks better. And I like to click on the window, preferences, general, no, yes, no, Java, code style, formatter, and we're gonna make a new formatter. We're gonna call this modified. No, actually we're gonna call it custom, because that's what it is basically. And we're gonna add statement within switch body added into that. We're gonna go to new lines. Oh no, that looks good. Control statement, keep if statement on the same number. If else, keep simple if. Yeah, keep the simple if on one line. Yeah. And on line wrapping, I just like to add this to like 120 or maybe 800 actually. We'll just have it add a 0 to that because I like to have the code on one line. And yeah, that's everything we need there. So we click OK and go to cleanup now. We're gonna create a new one called custom as well. Here we're going to format the code. We're going to remove trailing white spaces. We are going to organize imports, and that's everything there. Use blocks in if, while, for, do statements, always except for single, return, or throw statements. I'm not going to edit that because I like it with the parentheses, like here. This is what it would have edited, changed. Well, actually, I don't know. No, I'll keep it there. Use this qualifier for field accesses only if necessary. And yeah, have that. We are not going to do anything there. We're gonna remove unused private members and remove unused local variables and click OK. And yeah, that's everything we need there. So now we're going to go to General, Workspace, Linked Resources, and click New. We're gonna have the MCP location. Go to Folder, and we're gonna have to the computer, G drive, tut development. We're gonna set it to MCP, and that's it. Just MCP. Click OK and OK again. And we have our first variable. No, linked resource, sorry. Now we're gonna have one for the mode. So I'm going to add a tutorial underscore source location. And click on folder, computer, D drive, to development, source, tutorials, and we're gonna make two folders inside the tutorials, one called common and another one called resources, like so. and we're gonna click on common and click OK and OK again. That was for our source link resource. Now for our tutorial resources location, click on folder and click the folder we just made called resources and click OK and OK again. And yeah, click OK, we are done there, and now we can start making our project. So we're gonna right click here, click new, and then Java project. We're gonna call this Minecraft. We're gonna have it to 1.7, the Java 1.7. Gonna remove the source folder from our source. Gonna click on libraries and add some libraries. Add external jars. We go into our tut development and the MCP. We first go into jars, bin, and select all the jars inside there. Click open, and we're gonna add some more. So we go back to our MCP, go to lib, and we are going to choose all except for the source ones. So we're gonna select Argo, ASM debug, BC Pro debug, Guava, and Scala library, and click open. Yeah, and we just going to select every one of these for export. So click finish, and this is what you should have. We just delete the source folder right there. Click OK, and then we're gonna have a new folder, and we're gonna click on advanced, link to alternate location, click on variables, MCP location, and we're gonna set this to lib. Click finish. Now inside here we are going to right click the lib folder, click on properties, resource filters, click add, and include only files that end with star.jar. Click OK and apply, and click OK again. Now we're gonna add another folder. We're gonna click on advanced, link to alternate location, variables, MCP location, and this time it's going to be jars. Right click on jars, click properties, resource filters, click add, include only files and folders, bin, click OK, apply, and OK. You're now going to bin, right click on bin, properties, resource filters, add, and we are going to include only files and folders. No, files, star.jar, and click OK, apply, and in natives we are just going to right click on it, properties, resource filters, add, exclude all files, star, and OK. And that's all we need there. So if you now go into and right click on Minecraft, click on build path, and then configure build path. We're going to libraries and add the LWJGL, both of them, the util and the regular one. We're going to native library location, double click on that, click on workspace, click on jars, bin, and natives, and we're just going to copy that, Control C, and click OK, and do the same on the natives for a library location on the other LWJGL, and click OK. Now we're just gonna add the vanilla stuff, So click on new folder, advanced, link to alternate location, variables, MCP location, and we're gonna have this to source slash Minecraft. Click finish and right click on Minecraft, hit new, source folder and browse and click on Minecraft. Click OK and finish. Now this will build the workspace and we'll add our the vanilla coding. So we just right click that to get rid of, well, it says that we have 100 of 3,523 items or warnings. So we're just gonna get rid of them by right clicking Minecraft, properties, Java compiler, and ignore optional compile problems and click OK. This will build the workspace again and get rid of all the errors. As you can see, we now don't have any errors. And that's it for the Minecraft project. Now we're just gonna hit new Java project, call this tutorial, and we're gonna hit next. And we're gonna remove the source folder again, click on projects and add. We're gonna click on Minecraft and click OK. And that's all we need. So we're just gonna hit finish. We're gonna get rid of this folder again, so delete that, and right click on tutorial, click folder, advanced, link to alternate location, variables. We're going to choose the tutorial source location and we're going to call it common, or you can call it tutorial underscore common. I know many likes that as well, but I just like to have it just plain common. Click finish and this arrow should pop up because it's linked to the common folder right here. You're gonna right click that, click new, source folder and browse for folder name and have common. Click OK, finish, and this will be a source folder. So now we just do that with the resources as well. We add a new folder, click on advanced, link to alternate location, variables, tutorial resource location, and click OK. We renamed it resources. Yeah, that's good spelling. Right click, new, source folder, browse for resources and click OK, finish. And yeah, that's our MCP setup. So, no, our Eclipse setup. So now to make code, you just right click on common and make a new class. And yeah, so that's how I set up my Eclipse. Hope you all enjoyed the video and see you guys in a little bit. Bye.